Welcome to our facility. Today, I'll show you exactly how tuna is caught and processed, step by step.
The deep sea fleet returns at dawn. Every tuna is meticulously inspected for quality and size before it can be processed.
Once weighed and tagged for traceability, the tuna is immediately packed in crushed ice to maintain its quality.
The journey of the tuna begins here, maintaining the cold chain to ensure peak freshness for the consumer.
To guarantee maximum freshness, the tuna is carefully cut into precise sections, while
Widgets. Every element, from temperature regulation to sanitation and cutting accuracy, is meticulously monitored.
the freshly caught tuna is rapidly chilled and transported through these hygienic stainless steel pipelines directly to the processing floor below.
Here we see the bluefin being expertly prepared. Precision is key as the fillets are carved and moved swiftly to the packing station.
Every fillet is refined and checked for quality.
To preserve the peak freshness, our premium tuna is flash steamed at precise temperatures, locking in the flavor. Our state-of-the-art facility uses automated vibrators to gently settle the tuna, ensuring a perfect pack every time before the final seal. In perfect synchronization, the automated system applies brand labels and seals each can with a precise date stamp.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
Once processed, the tuna is flash frozen and carefully stacked, ready for distribution across the globe.
And that's how tuna is caught and processed in Ning, from ocean to table.
This state-of-the-art facility represents the pinnacle of modern engineering, delivering essential materials across the globe.